Hi, this is the question 1 of homework 5, and let's do it. So, x and y are independent with fx equals ux minus 1 minus ux minus 2, and fy equals uy minus 1, and z equals x plus y. Find fz. So, in the convolution method, we know that fz equals from minus infinity to infinity, that fx alpha fy z minus alpha d alpha. So take the alpha and z alpha into the x and the y. So we can get this from minus infinity to infinity, and fx alpha equals u alpha minus 1 minus u alpha minus 2 multiply, take the z minus alpha into y, we got u z minus alpha minus u z minus alpha minus 1 and d alpha. So we take this in each component. This multiply this equals from u alpha minus 1 multiply u z minus alpha d alpha, and minus this component is u alpha minus 2 multiply u z minus alpha d alpha, then minus this component. And in the end, plus the last component. So from this we can get, this means alpha is larger than 1 and less than z, so this is 1 to z, and this is 1 d alpha, and the z must larger than 1, so it is multiplied by u z minus 1, and this is means alpha larger than 2 and less than z, so this is 2 to z d alpha multiply u z minus 2. And the third one is also alpha is larger than 1 and less than z minus 1. So this is 1, this is z minus 1. This 1 d alpha u z minus 2. And multiply the first one is alpha is from from 2 to z minus 1. So this is 2 to z minus 1. And this is 1 d alpha u z minus 3. So from this we can get, the first part is z minus 1 u z minus 1, and the second part is z minus 2 multiply u z minus 2, and the third part is z minus 2 multiply u z minus 2, and the fourth part is z minus 3 multiply u z minus 3. So the answer to the question is z minus 1 multiply u z minus 1 minus 2 z minus 2 multiply u z minus 2, and plus z minus 3 multiply u z minus 3. So this is the answer of convolution method. And now let's look at the geometric method. From the equality, we know that the x is between 1 and 2, and y is between 0 and 1. So we can draw the graphic. It's like this. The x and y. X is between 1 and 2, and the y is between 0 and 1. So in this area, the x and y can become 1, and z equals x plus y. So we turn the x to this side, we know that y equals minus x plus z. So the line is like this. And 1z between 1 and 2, the line is in this side, in the left side of the square. So this area is the z. So we know that the big FC is the area of this triangle, and this triangle is 1 over 2 z minus 1 square. So this is the big FC, 1z between 1 and 2. And 1z is larger than 2 and smaller than 3. The line goes to this side, to the right side of the square. So the area of this area is the square minus the triangle of this area. So 1z between 2 and 3, the big FZ equals 1 minus 1 over 2, 3 minus z and the square. So this is the fc. And if we get the big fc, now we can get the small fc is dfz over dz is z minus 1, 1z between 1 and 2. And it is 3 minus z, 1z between 2 and 3. So from the little fc, and we combine the z minus 1 and the z between 1 and 2 and the 3 minus z and z between 2 and 3 together. So we can get fz equals z minus 1 multiply u z minus 1 minus u z minus 2 plus 3 minus z multiply u z minus 2 minus u z minus 3. So this equality is the same as the answer of the convolution method. So this is the answer of question 1.